Potato bhaji for masala dosa. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. Heat oil in a kadai. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon asafoetida, now add 1 teaspoon split black lentil or urad dal and saute until dal turns light brown. Now add 10 to 12 curry leaves and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Two sliced onions and saute until the onions turn translucent. Now add half teaspoon turmeric, salt, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 4 boiled and roughly mashed potatoes. Add salt while boiling the potatoes. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons water. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander. Mix well. Potato bhaji for masala dosa is ready. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.